name the line in the plane shown. Well, the line, we can see this line that they're talking about, right? We name that by naming the endpoints, so we can call that line PQ or line QP, either one, okay? And let's call it, let's see which ones mark that as such. QP, good. PQ, good. PQ, good. No problem. Okay. Line P, that's not good enough. Line P is not good enough. If it had a cursive lowercase p, naming the whole line, that's fine. But you can't just name a line with one point because there can be other lines running through that point. So P is not enough to describe that line. Okay. Now, likewise, they want us to name the plane. And a plane, you can't just name a plane with 2 points. You can't just say, for example, like A has SR. That's not enough because there's a line running through there, and there are an infinite number of planes that contain that line rotating around it. So that's not good enough. Same thing here. SP, no good. You can't name 2 points. You need to have 3 points that are on the plane. P, Q, S. Not only do they have to be on the plane, but they have to be non-collinear. These are non-collinear, so that makes this also good, and therefore we have answer B as our answer.